Alright, welcome back everyone to your HTML tutorial brought to you by Anthony Gibby. I think I'm going to make this my second tutorial because I want to add on to some stuff that I talked about in the first tutorial in the major number 1. So with that, let's just go into it. If you all remember, we talked about everything here: your HTML, your head, your title, body, H1, paragraph, and your closing tags. What I want to do is show you another tag that is very important, but it's really not a tag. What it is instructions that's supplied to the web browser when a page is loaded. It lets the browser know what type of document is about to receive, and I don't think it's called DOCTYPE. I'm typing it all in capital letters. I guess that's the standard, but it's really not case sensitive, so you can type it in lowercase if you want to. In HTML4, you had to have a whole lot of stuff after this, some links and all type of stuff. But in HTML5, they simplified it a lot. It only requires 4 letters, HTML. That's it. And you close your bracket, and this right here just lets the browser know, like I said, what type of document it's about to receive. There are other I think there's other formats here. I haven't checked this out, but when I do check it out, I'm definitely going to make a tutorial about it to let you all know, give you an update on it. Alright, the next thing I want to do is talk about coding. When you usually coding, if it's programming or scripting or anything, sometimes you may have notes or ideas that you want to put down and you want to leave into your web page, maybe for the person who come after you, or maybe notes that you want to remind yourself later on, maybe years down the road. And a lot of times they have a implementation called comments, and that's what I want to show you all today. And anything here, say if you decided, okay, I need to add something here, you got to remember to, the comments field is formatted like this: your brackets, exclamation mark, 2 dashes, and if you all notice, when I put that, everything below here turned green, and you will see why in a minute. I'm explain. You add your note here, and then you put 2 dashes and your greater than, and if you all noticed again, it all changed back to its regular color. That is because you always have an opening and a closing for your comments, and everything in between here is going to be considered a comment. So if I took this down and I moved it down to here, you all notice that everything here turned green, because that is now considering everything here as a comment. So I'm going to move this back. Alright, the next thing I want to cover is, look at my notes again. Like that order. Oh well, just keep going. Well, oh, this is a side note too. I'm going to add the other attributes for the, if there is actually any attributes for the head, HTML, head and body tags. If there are any attributes, I'm going to add those underneath this series, underneath this chapter, which series 2. Seems like I'm kind of stumbling over here. I wrote down some notes again and I got them all out of order. I think that is about it for this tutorial. Alright, so with this I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you in the next one.